Welcome to Trade Rep. This is Shorthammer. It is the 30th of May 2019, and we're taking a look at the SPY. Now, what's interesting is on our last SPY video, we mentioned the 277 area, how in the past when we've gone below this, we kind of recovered and retested the supply demand zone above this 279s, but we weren't sure if history would repeat itself and if it'd be the same. Now let's look back real quick because this is a little interesting. So the last time that we went below the 277 area was, where are we? Come on. Back in March. And when we went down here, we got close. We didn't close below this. Got close, we didn't quite get there. It didn't close below. So let's go back a little bit further and look again. Okay. Now this is the 25th of March. We pushed down into the 277 area, retested the 279, back down into the 277, and bounced back, retested the 279. So we kind of pinged around a little bit in this area. So we still didn't close below this 277.55, 277.86 supply demand zone. And that may be it. So since we've broken above back on, what day is this? Back in, this is March. So since March, well, since we've closed above and been above this supply demand zone, we have not been able intraday to close below it. So that's an interesting little tidbit to watch for, is if at any point intraday, let me get us all the way back to where we are currently. Hopefully all this zooming around isn't too annoying. So on the intraday basis, we have not been able to close below this supply demand zone in the last few months. So what we also want to watch for is, what we did see is when we pierced, we did regain and we did retest, and we're doing this now in the after hours. We're retesting the 279. So the pattern did play out. The other pattern that could also play out is, are we going to hold and go up, or are we going to do what we also saw happen, a retest of this area, a potential hold, and then another retest of the 279s? Or will it be a thing where intraday we finally don't hold up in this area and we don't regain the 277s and we head to the next supply demand zone down here at 274? So this is interesting to watch as far as the SPY, but the pattern that we discussed did play out. We pushed below the 277. We didn't make the next supply demand zone. We went back above, retested the upper supply demand zone at 279s. We'll see what happens. Either we're going to do this and come back down here to test this area, or we can go up. But let's see what happens. This is going to be interesting. And let's watch if we can get over the 279.60 supply demand zone and up over this 280 area to see if we can get a little bit of strength and push up here. But we'll see. But that's what we're watching. Intraday have not been able to close below the supply demand zone 277.55, 277.86 area for months. And we'll see if that continues to hold up intraday and we can get back over this. Just be careful. We're in a volatile market, so make sure you size appropriately and that you are using proper risk management on all your trades. We're sort of at the mercy of the news and whatever, may be going on, all this floating trade news and investigations and it's a lot of stuff that's in the market right now. Also, you have the bonds. It's just, there's so many different things, so many different catalysts that are pulling the market in so many different directions that just be careful, protect your money. Trading is not about making money. The goal of trading is to manage risk. The better you are at managing risk, the greater the chance of you making a lot of money for a long time. So manage risk.